Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a colorful fish. Let's draw in color together. First I'm drawing body of the fish. I'm drawing his eyes. Look, fish has started to watching the drawing. Now I am drawing the fins. Fins help them swim and steer. Fish can be found in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. Some live in salty water, others live in fresh water. Let's color together now. Do you know how do fish breathe? Please comment below. Fish use gills to breathe underwater. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.